my name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about data privacy and the Federal Communication Commission breach notification rule, the FCC. So the FCC has updated their data breach notification rule. This is the first update in the last 16 years. Basically, it's updated for rules for telecommunication carriers. So they've made a couple of big changes trying to align more with, for example, state level data breach notification rules. One change has been expanded in terms of the coverage of the data types. So it's a broader definition of what a breach is, for example. So previously, inadvertent access was not considered a breach under this rule, but now it is. Also, they added a new harm requirement. So there's no need to notify a consumer if there is no harm anticipated and if, for example, the data is encrypted or if the keys are secure. Also want to align to make sure that customers are aware if there is data breach. So that reporting period is within 30 days of a data breach, them knowing about it. They also made a change in terms of how people's sensitive information is being safeguarded. Also, this relates to not just phones, but also voice over IP, interconnected, and TRS systems. The intent is to hold phone companies accountable and enable customer protections more in line with the different 50 state data breach notification laws. So at least I think because the U.S. doesn't have a federal law about data breach and every state has their own law about data breach, the idea behind this change is to try to at least let the FCC's data breach rules be more in line or more aligned with more of the typical breach response or breach requirements in different states. I think we'll start to see possibly other agencies do this. I think it's a good thing. Because we don't have a federal law that harmonizes this, it's great to see agencies like the FCC trying to align and harmonize somewhat with what other states have done in terms of breach notification rules. That's it. Thank you.